Hello, I'm Alicia Nikolenko, owner and creator of Mosaic Professionals. Today I would like to show you some frosted fire design. Usually we think about winter in white, blue and silver shades. However, there are many other colors, for example red and gold, which looks like fireplace. In this design I will use Gel Polish Festival, Vitra gels, smoke and red, gel paint number 3, white art gel and flakes number 5. I am starting with the gel polish. It is highly pigmented with beautiful coverage, even in one layer. And after that, I'm applying pigment, flakes number 5, on top of uncured gel polish. I am curing it and overlay with Vitra gel to make red tone deeper and make flakes red as well. On top of uncured Vitra, I am adding unevenly some white curves using white gel paint number 3. And curing it. Now, I am adding a layer of Vitra smoke to make red color deeper and the white lines gray. And after that, drawing same curves again, using white gel paint. And curing it. Smoke Vitra again to get many different shades of gray. And some pigment flakes too. And curing it. And now it's time for top coat. For frosted effect, I'm using matte top gel. I like to add some small details on top. This last step gives me dimensional look. I am using one stroke white art gel for that, because it cures without tacky layer and I can leave it without the top. So, my frosted fire design is ready. One more thing. I can make flakes look brighter using perfect top. Just applying it on the matte layer. Experiment with layers using this technique. Have a beautiful manicure. Please subscribe to our channel and become a pro with Mosaic Professionals.